So next, what we are going to demonstrate now is how an auditee supervisor or an auditee manager will utilize TransMon for rebuttal management as well as CAPA procedure. So just like all other stakeholders, auditee manager is to log in with its unique username and password and click on the login button. After clicking on the repeat icon, this is the screen that is visible to the auditee manager. In order to figure out what are the rejected audits for rebuttal management that are in the auditee manager's bucket, the auditee manager clicks onto the rejected audit module available in the left hand side panel, and after that clicks on the LOB along with the date range for which the rebuttals have to be checked for. The auditee manager clicks on the generate button. It will list down any rebuttal that needs to be addressed. When I say addressed, it essentially means validated or invalidated by the auditee manager. By clicking on the view button under the action header, it will open up the window in which section A and section B are pre-populated, and from the attributes header, it will list down all the NCs, that is non-compliant measures given in by the auditor at the time of audit. Towards the end, it will also showcase the comments scribbled in by the auditee, and on the basis of that, the auditee manager has the option of either validating it or invalidating the process. In case the rebuttal is validated by the auditee manager, this, as per the rebuttal management process or the flow which is internally defined by Rupeek, will go back into the auditor's bucket for final closure. In case it is invalidated, it will automatically loop in the CAPA procedure for this particular transaction. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to put in the comments of auditors is fine and click on the invalid button. The moment I do this, this rebuttal gets addressed and it automatically gets into the CAPA flow. Apart from the rejected audits, the auditee manager also has access to audit reports as well as the CAPA module. Just like rejected audits, all in order to figure out what are the transactions lying in the CAPA procedure, the auditee managers just need to click on the on the necessary button. Along with it, just will select the LOB along with the date range defined.